Already using Xero sa business mo? Ang daming bagong features ngayon na dapat minamaximize mo. Kakatapos lang ng XeroCon sa Australia and from that event, ang daming nilaunch na bagong features ni Xero contributing to one core mission, to help business owners grow their business using accounting. Una, JAX or Just Ask Xero. Meron ka ng AI assistant sa loob mismo ng system. Type mo lang, show me my overdue invoices or forecast cash flow for next week and boom, generated na yan through the power of AI. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-click kung saan-saan. Pangalawa, redesigned navigation and homepage widgets. Pag login mo pa lang, may snapshot ka na ng cash position, invoices at KPIs mo. Parang dashboard ng kotse. Kita agad kung low fuel ka o full tank. It enables you to make financial decisions instantly and in real time pagka-login mo pa lang. At pangatlo, auto invoice scanner. Nasa loob na mismo ng system. Hindi na kailangan ng another app to do it. Upload ka lang ng resibo o kaya bill, kahit picture pa. Tapos siya na yung mag-extract ng information at gagawa ng draft sa Xero. So kung naka-zero ka na, challenge ko sa'yo, i-explore mo yung mga bagong features ha, kasi bawat oras na natitipid mo, dagdag oras yan para sa growth ng negosyo mo. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.